But as good as VxRail is and the momentum that we're seeing there and super excited about the full VMware Cloud Foundation, we made a little preview at VMworld last year.
You did?
Project Dimension. And Project Dimension was this idea that we could truly deliver a data center as a service offering. And today, it's my pleasure to announce VMware Cloud on Dell EMC that combines the best of VMware Cloud with Dell EMC VxRail into a single solution. It's amazing that we've been able to bring together this Dell technology service as a data center as a service offering, a fully managed on-premise data center solution based on VxRail that allows in your data center or in your edge solutions that will be fully managed, controlled, and automated from the VMware Cloud. Very cool, and we're working on bringing this to market this year.
We are. And we're going to show off some pretty cool things in a few moments.
Indeed we are, indeed. So we see this ability to truly have a cloud-like experience because so many people have gone to the cloud, not because it's better or more cost-effective, it was easier to go there. And now we're bringing that experience with VMware Cloud on Dell EMC. We see with VMware Cloud and Dell EMC, you have the agility with hands-off simplicity of the public cloud while retaining that predictable and control environment of your own data center, delivered as a fully managed solution by Dell Technologies. Also, we are responsible for doing the software patching, upgrading, lifecycle management. We take care of that, as well as the hardware service upgrade and firmware management as well. And it's fully bought as a purchase subscription, just like you would a cloud service. It's just your on-premise hardware and your environment in your data center or on your edge. VMware running on Dell EMC infrastructure is a highly differentiated offering from Dell Technologies, where we integrate and innovate our solutions together. And that's a real advantage to you, our mutual customers, to meet your multi-cloud tools with a new and powerful capability. What do you think, Jeff? Should we show it?
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah?
Let's go do it.
So with that, it's our pleasure to invite to stage June Yang, one of the driving forces of bringing this to life, VP of Engineering and Product Management, to give you a glimpse of all of these capabilities. June? Thank you, June.
Hi, June. Welcome.
Thank you.
So, June, what do you got to show us?
Yes. Thank you for having me here, Pat and Jeff. I'm very excited to be here to showcase the capabilities of VMware Cloud and Dell EMC at this wonderful forum. With this new service offering, we're able to bring public cloud experience to customers' on-premise data center and edge locations. So let me show you what the customer experience is like with this service. First, customer will simply log on to VMware Cloud portal. Showing here is a single pane of glass view of all the SDDCs customer has on VMware Cloud. Customer can easily see where their SDDCs are and the health of these SDDCs as well.
So on-premise as well as in the cloud?
Absolutely.
Right.
All together on a single pane of glass. This particular customer has one VMware Cloud instance running on the East Coast and a couple VMware Cloud and Dell EMC instances running already. As you can see, everything's green and everything's running well. Now, the customer's West Coast data center needs additional capacity because they need to onboard some new application. They want to spin up another instance of SDDC on VMware Cloud on Dell EMC. To do so, customer will simply add a new SDDC location. First, customer will provide the address of the data center. Next, customer will select the suitable instance type and the number of hosts depending on their needs and submit their request.
And this just looks like and sounds like exactly how customers today on the VMware Cloud might pick a new availability zone. Right. Now it's a new data center.
That's exactly right, Pat. We want to give the same cloud experience to customer on-premise data center as well. So behind the scenes, VMware and Dell are working together to build out the rack and preload the latest VMware SDDC software. In parallel, we're also working with the customer on the site preparation with the power, cooling, network setup to make sure everything's ready. Before long, the fully configured rack, like the one we're showing over there, will show up at customer doorstep along with a Dell technician to deploy and activate the service on site. Voila. Now the fully functional SDDC is up and running. The customer can deploy and run their application, leveraging the full capabilities of VMware SDDC. It is a cloud experience on-premise for data center or the edge location.
Way cool. So June, what's next when the SDDC is deployed?
Good question, Jeff. Once the SDDC is deployed, that's not the end of it. As this is a fully managed service, we're constantly monitoring these SDDC 24/7 and fix any issues that may arise. Here we can see alert has popped up on this SDDC. So let's take a closer look.
So is this like ticketing then and my normal ITIL processes?
No, Pat, it's much simpler than that. Since VMware is managing this service, we're always monitoring the service, and we're aware of the issue already and are working to resolve it. So in the meantime, we're providing customer full visibility on what's happening with their infrastructure. So before long, this issue is fixed and everything is back to normal.
What about security patches and updates?
Good question, Jeff. With VMware Cloud,
two.
yeah. With VMware Cloud and Dell EMC, it includes a full lifecycle management of these SDDCs for both the hardware and the software. Here, we can see the upcoming maintenance schedule for these patches and updates. During the maintenance window of customer's choice, VMware will automatically update customer's environment, ensuring customer is always on the latest security release and always has access to the latest feature set. And of course, during the entirety of the maintenance window, it's always zero downtime for the application, thanks to the wonderful capabilities of DRS and vMotion. From here, customer also has easy access to vCenter. And as you can see, this is a familiar interface of vSphere client. Customer can leverage the same tool set, skill sets, and expertise to manage this SDDC, to build, deploy, and run applications and VMs as usual.
So just like they would their existing data center infrastructure if they were running it.
That's right. This is a good example of what we've been talking about in terms of consistent operation and consistent infrastructure.
And what if a customer wants to extend capacity on premise?
That's very easy with VMware Cloud and Dell EMC. Customer can simply come back to the portal to order additional capacity for their existing SDDCs or add new SDDC locations altogether.
Well, June, this is just incredible. You and the team have done a fabulous job, right? And bringing this together has been a thrill to see the great cooperation between our team and the Dell team. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pat.
Thanks, June.
Thank you, Jeff. Thank you.